Good day, sir. I'm Grasella Simanjuntak. For VIA 4, I want to explain about English for mechanical engineering. In the first slide, I will make the title about my page, English for mechanical engineering. And the second slide, I want to introduction about English for mechanical engineering. English language is the most important function of the student being performed in his or her life. English language help to build strong relationship and better understanding which are so vital in their personal and professional life. And to be victorious in any field, one know to know, understand how to communicate effectively. In the era, good communication expertise are the keys to unlock the door of success. As we all know, it's an international language along with this official language in the world. It's a primary language of global trade and commerce used in international affairs. All over the world, the language which is used is only English. So English is the language of latest version application. And I will explain about what is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering plays a dominant role in enhancing safety, economic vitality, enjoyment, and overall quality of life throughout the world. Mechanical engineers are concerned with the principle of force. Force, English for mechanical engineering, energy and motion. This means the aim of the research to determine just how important and necessary the English language is for the student at the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering in this world. One of the vital questions is why the student choose English over other languages. It's because namely German, French, and Russian, it also highly relevant to find out if why they think that English is necessary and what it stands for their opinions. Among other things, some of the crucial issues that need to be resolved: how much English the student needs, and what the right mixture of general and specific English for the student of the mechanical engineering. In this section, I will explain about what the vocabulary in the mechanical engineering. The first, amusement park. It means a large area with many special machines that you can ride on, such as a roller coaster and merry-go-rounds. And the second, incensing, in this sentence it means verb, improving. And the third, unplantable, in this section it means adjective, but it also pertaining to a device. And the fourth, motion, process of a moving or the way that someone or something move. And the fifth, scholarly, in this sentence it's adjective, well designed and complicated. And the last, proof, in this sentence it counts by verb. Explain about 6 benefits of English for engineers. The first, learn to communicate effectively and share ideas with colleagues. And the second, train your routine English communication skill, which can helps author and the research effectively share their research results. And the third, enable greater collaboration with global research teams. Next, learn to communicate effectively, lead classroom conversation and lectures, and assess assignment and project. And the last, build confidence and the necessary communication skill for job performance and career advancements. And this section, I will explain about focus on the key mechanical engineering vocabulary that student will need. The first is listening. In this section listening is how to understand and take effective notes on extended lecture, including how to follow the argument and identify the speaker point of view. In the second, speaking, how to participate effectively in a variety of realistic situations, from seminar to presentation, including how to develop an argument and use stance markers. And the third, reading, how to understand a wide range of texts, from academic textbooks to internet articles including how to analyze complex sentences and identify such things as the writer's tense maybe, and the fourth writing, how to produce coherence and word structure assessments including such skill as paraphrasing and the use of appropriate academic phrase, and the last vocabulary, a wide range of activities to develop students' knowledge and use of key vocabulary, but in the field of mechanical engineering and of academic study in general. In the slide 7, technical writing in English serves as an essential tool in communicating or conveying one's ideas, views, observation, instruction, and suggestion in a more logical and technical manner. Technical writing in English in the field of engineering requires specific register, structure, and defined sets of vocabulary. This statement writing in English is used for specific purpose and hence it needs to be preserved, relevant, and without redundancy. Skills such as writing instruction and inferring data from graphs and charts requires the above. This paper highlights the above ideas with example, besides explaining the various writing skills and required in the field of engineering. In the next slide, I will explain about the role of English language for mechanical engineering communication. Engineering is the biggest field of study in the world. First of all, English is a tool that notably affects mechanical engineering studied in academic life. While most of the assumptions in mechanical engineering taught in English, it requires having good English communication proficiency. And academic life, mechanical engineering students have to deal with the countless lecture, tutorial, labs, project reports, and papers in English. Generally, mechanical engineering professors in various universities are also conducting lectures in English, the most source of information. Internet provides generally the information in English during the job-seeking process in interview. Application and programs. A new era where software, peer-to-peer, social media networks, and all websites. Speaking English fluently is an important creation of the admission process, and a candidate's ability to master this ability greatens their chance of admission to foreign university. In National University of Singapore, students are required to pass qualifying foreign university. Such measurements are carried out to make sure the students are able to write, listen, and communicate with professional English in the future. At present, there are thousands of mechanical engineering students are facing employment crisis. There are many reasons behind it. First and foremost reason is a lack of communication and unable to handle the English language. This paper deals how to empower language and communication through some suggestion. And the last, I will explain about certain suggestions on communication for the mechanical engineering student. The first, be a team player. It means professional engineering involves collaboration among many different disciplines that must come together to resolve complex issues and formulate solutions to bring product to market. As a result, communication skills are as important as technical expertise. And the second, be a part of the innovation pipeline. It means always be open to new ideas, even if they came from source of software group. Beware of the not invented here's bias that exists at some companies. Companies will reward engineers who encourage innovative ideas regardless of where they originate. Keep learning. This is crucial as the tool us you to do product design and analysis are constantly changes and improving. And the last is beef up your communication skill. It means stay ahead of the curve and seek out the new assignments and opportunity to learn new technology. Sign up for the training programs and make the most of company-paid educational benefit. Many mechanical engineers prefer to stick out the technological design track, while others will to branch off into management roles, which mean you'll need to be comfortable talking to customer, giving presentation, working with outside suppliers, agency, or many others. And I will close this segment with my conclusion is Faculty of Mechanical Engineering choose English over other existing language courses, namely German, French, Russian, and we can easily conclude that they think of English the most significant and necessary foreign language, whatever a reason for them might be, but we have this set out research in order to find out exactly what those reasons are and acquire enough to data to create a relevant picture of what students' opinion on the first choice language course. And even though many of students think that English is absolutely necessary for the professional careers, no matter where they study them, they not generally put English as front of other language students, but believe that by knowing any of more important language, a person acquires a crucial first link for a successful career. Yet, English is still primary concern when it comes to knowing foreign language, and they not acknowledge its qualification in the business. One of other crucial issues are also discussed there with the current English course at Faculty of Mechanical Engineering. Nevertheless, before the course falls into more specific whether students should handle their English with relative ages, otherwise they will be not able to follow more complex lesson units. It remains only be to state that 2 semester course may not be long enough to master of that is expected from a future mechanical engineer to know. Finally, we can run up our discussion by saying that today's English is something of primary concern for every individual, and especially academic citizens who are the forefront of contemporary civilization. No matter what the question might be, it's been becoming more and more important and necessary to know and speak the English language well, and to be capable of using it appropriately. The modern world has searched for a new lingua franca that will be expanded ever-growing means of communication and expression among people in every aspect of life. Mechanical engineering is student faculty of conscious on this fact that is everyone concerned to make it possible for them to reach the desired level. With experience and future education, some mechanical engineers move into legal or management positions that build upon their scientific and technical skill and expertise. Others choose the path of scholarly research and teaching. The work of the mechanical engineer is diverse and worldwide, and the careers of mechanical engineers are marked by important common factors, continuous learning.